the rebar tension in the slab. You can see in this corner, in this front side of the building, and here you can see that clips for framing work. They put it in the same time. At the same time when they put the concrete, the slab for this building, because there is more than one option. You can install the anchor bolts later with the sill plate when you will do the framing later, or you can pour at the same time instead when you pour the concrete. So that's option. And here in this project they decided to, depend about the design, they install the plate or clips in the same time when they pour. You can see here that's finished concrete, that's its entrance, and here they will do saw cut for concrete later for this slab. You can see the clips and rebar tension. That's also entrance, and you can see there's a slope. They made the slope, and that's the plumbing stuff. And you can see here's the cracks started. They should do saw cut in this next day.